I guess I'm adulting now, and I'm like, hey, we need a trash bin. And I was debating if to post it, but then I was like, you know what? This is like real stuff. Now this thing about having a mini fridge in the bathroom, I don't know. Desde ahorita le estoy diciendo, don't judge me. Yay, we finally got our trash bin. Look, you guys, we finally got our trash bin. Y'all probably gonna be like,
okay.
I know it's weird. Part of adulting.
Nosotros cuando sacábamos la basura la poníamos en una black trash bag y la poníamos como para el hallway. And we didn't have no problem with that.
Como que I guess I'm adulting now, and I'm like, hey, we need a trash bin. I hope it's new. Just finished reading, you guys. So the book that I've been reading se llama I Walk with the Living God. It's by Pat Robertson, and I love this book. If you're into miracles and testimonies, I recommend you read this book. Él es el que hizo Found the 700 Club. I'm on chapter 23. By the way, last time les quería enseñar esta plumita que compré también en Amazon. Tiene como una florecita, una butterfly, y es un bookmark. So here goes my late opening. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. For the ones that are new, my name is Maria. Welcome to the channel. For the ones that haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and go ahead and click the bell button and make sure it's on so you get notified the next time I upload a video. I hope que ahorita se encuentren bien. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Ahorita me estoy tomando mi café. Delicious. Según yo, me tomo mi café con un straw para que así evite the teeth staining. At least it gets minimized. And that's the reason I drink my coffees with a straw. So don't think I'm weird. Well, I have a lot of cleaning to do in the kitchen, pero no se los voy a enseñar porque me da vergüenza. Believe it or not, you guys, sí me da vergüenza. I'm trying to remember the last time I felt embarrassed, but I can't recall. The beauty of not caring, it's beautiful. So if you care a lot about what people think about you, I would say me being your older sister or your younger sister, it doesn't matter. Me just being your friend, just don't care what people think about you and do whatever you want. Be respectful towards others and do you, boo. Ahorita ya puse a lavar. Ahorita ya voy a poner a secar también. Bueno, you guys, sorry because no hay mucha luz, pero la verdad es que my house does not have like very bright natural lighting y no quiero tener las luces prendidas que no necesite. So ahorita voy a doblar mi ropa. If you're like me, a mí me gusta como sacarla y tirarla en el couch and fold it there. Meanwhile, I'm gonna finish drinking my coffee. What's up, y'all? Ahorita son las 11 de la noche, you guys, and you won't believe it, but I can't go to sleep. Y la razón es porque hay algo que me está ahí como taking my sleep away, and I was debating if to post it, but then I was like, you know what, this is like real stuff. Estas son cosas de la vida, and just be open. Como les estaba diciendo, ahorita son las 11 de la noche and I can't go to sleep, and it's not because I'm not sleepy, but tengo un mudero, you guys, de trastes que, I'm gonna be honest, no lavé ayer y ya casi ya se termina hoy, so that's like basically about 2 days, and I just hate doing dishes. Like, I hate it. It's not my thing, you know? And so they've been there just laying across my counter, and it's time for me to clean it. A part of me wanted to go to sleep and just act like they weren't there. Pero yo sé that if I don't clean them tonight, cuando me levante bien tempranito, los voy a tener que ver, and I don't want to look at those dishes anymore, you know? Plus, I'm running out of space. I was debating if I should get up and wash the dishes. For the past 2 hours, I was in Instagram, so anyways, you guys, I have an Instagram y se llama yo soy _ MariaDelCarmen. So yeah, go follow me on Instagram. I literally posted a reel or a story. I posted something where I was asking y'all to leave me questions so I could do a Q&A, but no one sent me a question. So I was like, okay, and I ended up taking that post down. Yeah, go follow me on Instagram, and hopefully in the future I can do a Q&A if y'all do ask me some questions, you know. This is the mess that's been keeping me up. Oh my god. Y yo no quiero ver esto mañana cuando me levante en la mañana. De por sí, I'm not a morning person, and I have a very hard time waking up in the morning. So basically, when I start my day, I force myself to start, which means that I'm literally half asleep and half functioning. Y me pongo a hacer desayuno and pack my husband's lunch. And I don't want to come see this, girl. No, I don't. It's just gonna make my morning harder. I'm gonna put my apron because I don't want to put a bra on porque I don't like wearing a bra. I'm gonna put on my apron so I look more covered up and I can be comfortable. Más reservada. First, tengo unos little shorts because I like to be comfortable. I hope I'm not showing too much. It doesn't matter because I see my statistics, my analytics. I look at my analytics, you guys, and 100% of my viewers are women. Somos puras females, so I am comfortable talking about the stuff that I talk about for the same reason, because my analytics tells me that 100% of my viewers are female. One more thing that I want to get done before I go to sleep is me overnight oats. I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep, you guys, because ya tengo sueño y es bien tarde. Ya va a ser la 1 in like 15 minutes. 12:46. Good morning, you guys. Buenos días. Today is the next day. Y ahorita son las 6:30 de la mañana. And oh my god, you guys, I have to rush to the store porque se me acabaron unas cosas. And according to the radar, it's supposed to start raining at 7. So I have 30 minutes. 28 minutes now para ir a la tienda, agarrar lo que necesito, and hopefully do a Starbucks run because I need some coffee. Where I'm debating on what drink to get. But anyways, you guys, I gotta hurry up and rush to the store. So vámonos. estoy aquí afuera del Starbucks, pero no sé qué agarrar. Hold on. I really need some coffee because I want to have a productive day. Y tengo como sueño porque no dormí bien. So I'm gonna stop recording my Starbucks runs because I can't even function right in the morning. So I'm forcing myself to function, you guys. Hi. Good morning. Sorry, good. Thank you, I appreciate it. Bye, you too. Yes, you guys, cheers to a productive, relaxed but productive day. Cheers. It's strong. I love my coffee strong. Like, si está too sweet, yeah, that ain't gonna do it for me. But anyways, you guys, ¿qué les iba a decir? Oh my god, ayer me dormí bien tarde y en la mañana no me quería levantar, which is nothing different or weird. I don't think I ever want to wake up so early, like, no. I definitely had a hard time getting up this morning, but I did, so yay me. Ha estado like super dry. It usually like rains a lot. Y últimamente he estado como like, we haven't been getting any rain. And I don't like that because I love rainy days. They're my favorite. Yeah. No les dije lo que agarré. I got a venti iced caramel macchiato with salted caramel cold foam, and I got 4 shots in it. It comes with 3, but I added an extra shot because I need it. It's strong, but that's because I'm drinking the shots first. Yo necesito esa cafeína first. Anyways, I'm gonna get off and get the stuff off. ¿Qué más tengo que hacer? Sacar la basura porque hoy tengo que sacar la basura. So it's gonna be my first time taking it out, and I'm thinking about recording that. But I'm actually excited to use my bote for the first time. Brand new. Ya vamos a bajar, okay, you guys? Ahorita lo que me voy a preparar es una infused water with lemon and mint. Y aquí ya tengo el agua. The only thing we need is the lemon y la menta. So, before it starts raining, let's go get our menta, you guys. Oh my god, it started raining already. This smells amazing. Girl, this stinks because I'm having a mini fridge in the bathroom. I don't know. I love this lotion. La de Cetaphil. I love it. I think está un poquito chueca la cámara, pero ahorita la compongo, you guys. Yo traje una de las cosas, no sé si hagan más skincare in that box that I have over there, because I have a bunch of stuff there. I'm gonna be que tenía algo más. This fridge is really small, so I'm not sure if the face masks are going to fit bien. I heard que son ruidosos. I hear it, but it's not overwhelming loud. I'm gonna go ahead and get a new tripod tripod in the future, hopefully not far from now, que esté un poquito más alto. Ya está enfriando. How cute. It's so tiny. Okay, would that even allow the door to close? Oh my god, y'all, my things are looking pretty cute here. High sweet caffeine green tea massage amounting to eye contour. Caffeine. Hey, we need a lot of that. We need a lot of that. Aquí estamos a 22. Pues dicen que todavía están bien, pero we'll see. We'll put them in here. I don't like the way they look anymore. Pero este, it's wonderful. Oh my god, it feels so good. But that's for another video, you guys, porque I feel como que en este video ya lo hice bien largo. And I don't want you to get bored. Me vine al gym y en realidad no tenía ganas de venir, pero consistency is key. But I know that if I keep on pushing and I keep on being consistent with coming to the gym, I know that eventually I will get results. That's what I want. I want to see results. I'm on this stage where I just want to change. I'm in my selfish era. Well, getting there. I'm being more selfish. You know, things that we go through sometimes, like being a mom, working, or being a wife. Things that we end up doing in life, sometimes we end up putting ourselves in the back burner, you know? Because you do need to be responsible. You do need to make things happen. And sometimes you don't even have energy to come to the gym, right? But I want change. I want to look good. I'm already in my 30s and it's never too late, but I really want to get it together in my 30s because right after 30s is my 40s and I really want to look good on my 40s. I mean, I always wanted to look good. I just never made enough effort. Yes, you guys, anyways, I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna do a little workout, get that out of the way, y después, I'm not gonna lie, I already know what I'm gonna eat later and it's not healthy, you guys. Desde ahorita le estoy diciendo. Don't judge me. I've been craving wings, so Wingstop is on the menu for tonight's dinner. I can't wait to eat wings. But anyways, I'm gonna go work out, burn some calories. The point is que I'm gonna gym because consistency is key. Stay focused, ladies. Ya acabé con mi workout. We're about to tear this up. Tenemos las boneless habanero wings, las Korean barbecue, which are really, really good. Y las lemon pepper for sure. Our veggies, because we have to keep it healthy. Fries. Cannot eat Wingstop without corn porque you're missing out. I love this corn.